Hi friends, good morning. Friends, are you able to see the screen? Hello. Friends, is the screen visible to all? Friends, if you could see the screen, please reply in one of the WhatsApp groups or anywhere you can contact. Let me just 1 minute. Friends, please type so that I can start with the session. Okay, Mahesh sir. Okay, sir. Most welcome. Thank you, sir. Thanks for replying. I just give a minute. We also open the my mobile also. So friends, first of all, you could see I have opened investing.com. It's a free charting site. So you can open it here. You can just type it. Let me show you how we can find this charting site. So we can just type on investing.com. Okay. So friends, this site will be open to all, right? So here we will go down. You could see here, we will get the option of charts. By default, it shows the US in our chart. So let us change it to any stock. Let us just type here Reliance. Sorry. Okay, so friends, I could see Reliance Industries. Well, friends, just give a minute. Okay, friends, so you could see here there is a chart. I have opened Reliance Industry chart. Okay, now I will go to this page, this option, sorry, this column. There's an option of indicators. So I will put here, just go there and type our today's indicator, that is super trend indicator. So friends, it's a free, charting site, and you could get this indicator. Let us just add RSI also. I will add RSI also. Okay. So I'm taking two things, friends. RSI. Okay. And super trend. So friends, if you want more confirmation for any buyer sell signal, so I will add two moving averages here. I will just add two moving averages. So this thing will give us more confirmation. One of the moving averages is 9, so we can keep it 9 as such. Let us change its color to green. Let us keep it blue. It's okay with we are okay with blue. And other moving average we will change it some red color. Okay, and I will make it. Let us make it double up first. That is 18. Okay, friends. So we can take this, and our time frame should be 5 minutes only. For intraday, 5 minutes time frame is quite reliable. Friends, are you able to hear me? Okay, so I will make this chart full screen now. I hope I have shared the link of the meeting with every group where I have told about the session. 1 minute, friends. Just let me check once. Okay. Friends, is my voice clear, audible? Hello. Friends, you can please reply me in one of the WhatsApp groups. 1 minute. There are some messages. Okay, thank you, sir. Thanks for replying. So, friends, without delay, I will start the session now. So, friends, we have to go to this investing.com site, and there is an option of indicators here. Okay. So, from here, I have taken this RSI indicator. Sorry, RSI and super trend. So, main indicator we are going to discuss is super trend. So, friends, super trend is a wonderful indicator. It helps in giving us a we can say the finding the direction of the market. It tells us where we should buy and sell. Okay, so for intraday, 5 minutes time frame is quite reliable. But if we want to use this indicator for positional trading, so then we should check it in daily time frame. Okay, if we want to go for positional trade, so we can make use of this indicator for positional trades. And if we add RSI also, so that would be a more confirmation. So you could see here, friends, from this level, you could see here once in previous part. Let me just make it bigger. So see here, friends, how RSI has super trend has given us the signal of buy signal. So this green line of the RSI, when it is below the chart, it shows that that's a buy signal. And there is an upward arrow also. If you could see here, there's a small green arrow. I think it is not clearly visible. Maybe there's a small green arrow, friends. When it gives a buy signal, it's an upward arrow. And when there is a sell signal, there is a small downward arrow. You could see here. I think this thing is visible. Here it has given a sell signal, so there is a small downward red arrow. And when there is a buy signal, there is an upward green arrow. Okay, and this line of the super trend, it is below the chart. So you can make use of this indicator for intraday trading also. Sorry, for positional trades also. So see how it has given, but for that we should use daily chart. So on daily chart, if we take RSI is also in confirmation, so you could see RSI had touched above 70 level, 60, 70 level is there. So okay. So friends, many people would say that once RSI goes at that above 70, 80 level, so there we can short. No, that's not always the condition. We have to look at the chart. So let me just show you this part only with a live example. You could say it's a live. Okay, means I'm showing you in current market. Though it's not live market, but still you could see here that RSI has given a super trend has given a buy signal and RSI has reached the top. So friends, when this super trend is reached top, so it is indicating that there is a, we can say, now it can fall down, but until it has not gone below, and there is no signal for selling. Just like look at this, there is a signal of sell and it has started moving down also. So it's a sell signal now. So till this time there is a condition like this. You could see here for 3 continuous days there are red candles. So there are bearish candles indicating that it's a sell now. But till the time RSI is in this range and charts are moving up, so you can see candles are moving up. We can say that the prices are rising up. So there is no indication of sell. Okay, so we could look here from this day for quite a long time. Let me just check for let us say from 10th of this July, it has given a buy signal. Okay, right. So if one would have taken an entry on this day or next day even, let us say if someone has taken entry above this level for 1029 on Reliance Industries. Okay, so RSI is in over we can say overbought zone, right? But see the stock rising up. It continuously rose up to this level. Okay, so it started from, it's given a signal on 10th of July, and the stock rose from a level of let me just once again check it, from 1015 somewhere. Okay, yeah, from 1001 to and to, or we can say 1025 also, or for next day also we could take 1026 or even 37 also. Stock has given a big movement from that level till level of 1310, friends. Yeah, it made a high of 1920 also, 1327, friends. 1327 is the highest point. Okay, but this day it started downward move. Okay, and the signal remained there for 29th of July, sorry, August. It given a signal on buy signal on 10th of July, and till 29th of August the stock remained in uptrend. Okay, so about this quite long time, if someone has taken a buy entry in somewhere 1030 also, okay, it has gone up to 1310, 20, 30 as well. Okay, so it's a very good opportunity to enter in this level. Okay, so where should we keep a stop loss? So friends, for stop loss, now super trend is also giving us a level. This is the level where super trend is telling that we should keep a stop loss. Okay, or we should look for previous level. So friends, there is some level where stock has we can say it has made some few days. It remained in this level. Okay, it's we can say some accumulation is here. Stock accumulator try to it accumulated strength to rise up. Okay, so we could place a stop loss of this level 950, 960, 960 actually, yeah. So with a risk from 960, we would have taken entry of 1000, 25, 30 also. So we should understand this much risk is there. This much risk is there. Okay, if we are comfortable with that risk, we should take an entry. So friends, it has given us a movement up to 1300. Let us just take 1300 only. So friends, approximately we could say 300 points movement upside. Okay, so it's a very good entry in this time. Okay, sometimes this super 10 gives us false signals also. Just look at this level. Super 10 has given a sell signal. It has given a sell signal. Okay, so one would have kept stop loss of this level, okay, or anywhere in this level, and that stop loss would be hit. That's a false signal by super 10. But friends, somewhere it can give a false signal, right? But most of the signals are they're quite reliable. Just look at this level also. If someone has taken entry in here, this level, okay, and exited somewhere here. Okay, so for exit level we have to see it, friends. If we are taking positional trade, we should decide some target, and we should look at this. If stock is continuously it started downward movement for continuously 2 to 3 days, so we should exit from our position. So at least if someone has taken entry in this level, so he would have exited cost to cost at least. So what if fall is for continuous 3 days, or even for 2 days also, we should take exit from that stock, right friends? We should take an exit and try to find some other stock, or wait for this stock to give us again a signal, right friends? So friends, this super 10 indicator, it's a very friendly and simple indicator, but remember it works in a trending market. Okay, so we can take help of the overall market condition. We can look at the Nifty condition. If Nifty is up, okay, and super 10 is also giving a buy signal, and somewhere any day in a trending stock, we need to find a trending stock. We need to find a trending stock to take a positional trade. Okay, so if we got a trending stock, okay, and if the market condition is favorable, so we can go long as per the super trend. So it's a wonderful indicator. It can give us, it automatically gives us a buy and sell signals. It automatically gives us buy and sell signals. So friends, I told you about how we can make use of this indicator for positional trades. And friends, keep in mind, you can keep record of you can just make a Excel sheet. You can make an Excel sheet and keep your record that at what level. You just go and check for a few days, 1 week. You can just make a check of 1 week or 1 month also. You can make a check of different signal given on different stocks, but you need to find some trending stocks, because this is a trending indicator. It works well in a trending market. When market is range bound, there super 10 may give false signals also. So it works wonderfully in a trending market. So if we get a trending stock on a trending market, okay, market if is in it is trending, any side, if it is trending, so accordingly we can take a position. But remember, we cannot take a sell position in cash segment. If we are selling some stock, so that for that we need to find some derivatives segment stock, so where we can sell in futures. Okay, right? So we can make use of some derivative stock to take future trade as per sell signal also. Okay, right friends? So hopefully this thing is clear. Everybody is clear, understood that where we can take a buy entry. Just let me show again. So see here, at this level stock has given us a buy signal. This level is a buy signal. So previously it was a sell signal. So we need to wait for this line, this sell signal line to cross. Once the stock goes above, we can take entry there. So suppose we have taken entry at 689 level. Okay, I'm showing you, and you could see there is a previous level from where stock has taken few days. Stock remained in this range few days. Okay, so this range is our stop loss. This range would be our stop loss. So this is 655 friends. I am telling you for positional trades. So 655, let me take two lines also just to mark those lines. Okay, So I am taking one line at 655 level. Okay, and I will copy it, clone it. So I will place this line at stop loss level and at entry level. Okay, so friends, we would have taken entry in this level, this price 689.90 also. Okay, so suppose we enter 690 level and keeping stop loss up at 655. Okay, so we should understand there is a, you know, approximately, uh, how much is this? This is approximately 35 points difference is there. Yeah, 35 points difference is there. So there is a risk of 35 points. Okay, so we have to decide this thing. We cannot, just trade as per our own, thinking that we can keep small stop loss and stock would not go there. Some stocks, if we take small stop loss, we have to take a proper level, some previous level. So you could see stock has remained in this range for quite long time. So this level is quite a reliable level to take a stop loss level. Okay, and we should take entry above this level once this super trend line, sell signal line is broken and stock chart goes up, stock goes up. So the signal entry is somewhere around, let us say 690 as well. Okay, right. So it has given us a sell signal, sorry, buy signal. So we should have taken entry. So you could see stock has once gone there and for continuously for 3 days. So one would have taken an exit also as well. Okay, it would be at cost to cost, or one can, here you could see the stock has come stock cost to cost. So there we need to be cautious. Okay, if stock breaks this level, then we should exit from this stock. But see, stock has not broken this level, friends. Our entry level is not broken, so we can still be in position. Okay, with the same stop loss level, with the same stop loss level. Okay, and see, after that stock has started upward journey. It started moving upward. It made up to 830. Okay, so we could say somewhere from 700 level it started up to 830. So it has given us approximately 140 points movement upside. Okay, 140 points movement upside, friends, in positional basis. Okay, so once after this big move, one stock continuously gives a downside movement for continuously for 3 days. So there we need to exit from our trade, because we have got a good amount of money. We have got 100 points at least, if not more. We have got 100 points movement. So 100 points movement is quite reliable. Okay, so friends, I would like to show you here two moving averages that I have added here. I have added 9 period and 18 period moving average. So you can take 10 and 20 as well, or 13 and 21 period moving averages also. Okay, so friends, you could see that stock is, these moving averages are in support of the chart. These moving averages are in support of the chart. Okay, and super trend has also given a buy signal. So this is quite a reliable signal, friends. It's a quite reliable signal. If super trend has given us any such signal and that is supported by moving averages of 10 and 20, I have taken 9 and 18 period. We can take 10, 20 period also. Okay, or 13 and 21 period also. So friends, you can take two moving averages, and you could see there is a crossover. So moving average has given us a signal at the start of this trend. Moving averages have given this buy signal at the start of the trend, and super trend signal is a little later, because there was already a sell signal in the previous time by the super trend. So that's why super trend signal is late, but the moving average signal is early. So we got two confirmation, and you could see RSI level is also, let me put one more line, friends. We can take RSI is also in confirmation. Just a minute, friends. Okay, so we could see here, friends, that RSI is also, I will mark one level. So friends, here we need to mark the level of 50. Just mark the level of 50. If RSI is above 50, that's a good entry. That's a good entry in the trade. Okay, and you could see here, friends, once stock has started upward journey, it came down, but this time it just touched 50 line. So we can make use of RSI also. If we take this thing, if stock goes below RSI 50, then there we need to exit, because stock was continuously falling for fourth day. It made to this level, but it has not broken our entry level. Okay, it has not broken that level. Okay, and still we can say it is above this level. So you can see this line. This time we can make use of this line, friends. This line of super trend is actually the, we can say, stop loss level. So as per super trend, this level is our stop loss. So we can trail a stop loss if we are not, we have, if we want to be little safer here. So we can trail a stop loss from our entry levels stop loss and keep it here, or we can keep it just below this candle. Okay, right. So we can keep our stop loss at this level, little below this, 1 point below this. Okay. So friends, this way we may be in, we may continue with our position, because see, even RSI is dipped from this level, but just touched 50 level, but not broken that. It has not broken 50 level, so we can be in position. And see, after that, stock has given an upward, quite a big move upward, about 140 points. Okay, so sometime, you know, friends, we at times when stocks after our entry level, it may give, sometime it gives us a fear, it gives us a moment. So there we need to be cautious. If it breaks our entry level, and you know, there is a condition like you could, here we can add, make use of RSI also. If RSI breaks below 50, so there we need to exit. At least we need to exit in at least some small loss also. Okay, we can take a little loss also. We can take little loss, or we can, you know, exit cost to cost. Okay, and wait for the stock. If it starts moving from that level, okay, we can re-enter. So see, next day stock has given us a movement from that level. So if those who had little patience, those who have trailed, even friends, we have, if we have, we are entering in this stock in this level. So we are decided before entering, we should decide that we are ready to take this much risk. Okay. So it's a risk of about 35 points. So if we are comfortable with 35 points risk, so that's only we should take an entry only. Okay. So before entering in any stock in any quantity, we have to decide if there is a risk of 35 points on positional basis. Okay. So if you are comfortable with that risk, so then only we should take an entry, because there is nothing like, you know, if we have taken an entry level and there is no stop loss, okay, we cannot trade like without stop loss. Always trade with stop loss and decide our quantity, control our risk, how much risk we can take. Okay, so I have shown you there is a 35 points risk on positional basis if we are going to trade it for positional trade. Okay, so we can easily expect 70 points movement, because our risk to reward ratio should be in the ratio 1:2 at least. Okay, so if there is a risk of 35 points, there will be a reward of 70 points. Okay, but it has given more than, you know, 1:2, it has given us 1:3. 1:4 approximately. Yeah, it has given us in the ratio 1:4. It has given us 140 points movement. Okay, so that's a, you know, we have to sometime, you know, when it is started downward journey. See, for 4 days continuously stock started movement downward. Okay, but it came to our approximately entry level. It has not broken that and started our journey. So here we need to be, you know, we need to have some patience. Okay, but we can't be a silent, you know, patient will be smart. We need to be, you know, smart here. If stock goes below this level, it breaks our entry level. Okay, and even, you know, we can take confirmation from RSI also. If RSI goes below 50 level, okay, even super trend level is broken this level. This is an important level of super trend. If super trend creates some level, see, super trend has created one level, previously one level, this level, then it created this level. Okay, so then it created this level. So super trends keep creating some level trends. So we should follow super trend strictly. One timer stop loss would be here. Then once it moved up here, so we can keep stop loss of this level. Okay, then stock came down little, but it made to this level. So you could see there is a horizontal line of super trend. So it's a we can say it's a stop loss level. So we may keep a stop loss of this level, 1 or 2 points below that level also, super trend level, and be in trade. Okay, so see, after that stock has given a very big upside movement. So friends, we should keep trailing our stop loss levels. We should not sit silent up with this stop loss. We should keep trailing stop losses. That means we should keep locking our gains now. We should decide if stock breaks this level, we will exit. Then once stock moved here, then again 2 days it came little, we can say it shows a bearishness. There are bearish candles. Okay, so we should need to trail stop loss of this level. This level, friends, at this level. Okay, and be in trade, be in position. So we should decide that if stock goes below, we will exit this level. So if we exited this level also, we are still in profit of about 20 points because the entry is somewhere around 690. Okay, right? If stock does not break this level, it goes higher. Okay, so we should keep trailing stop loss. So we should follow this super trend levels, friends. Follow these super trend levels and keep trailing stop losses. So in positional trades, these levels are, we have to see them. We can say we cannot place a stop loss in, positional trades. So these stop loss here means we have to keep levels. We have to mark these levels, and we should decide if stock breaks this level, I will exit. Okay, so we should write in our diary somewhere that if this level is broken, I will take an exit from this stock. So we need to regularly track this stock. Okay, so you could say for a few days, 5-6 days, it moved up. Then one day it came down. Then another day started jump up, then down. Okay, so stocks keep on moving like this. Up and down is continuously going happening there. Okay, right. So finally, stock came here this level. Finally, stock came this level, and from this level, stock started giving downward move. And friends, we can make use of moving average also. Look at 9-period moving average. The 9-period moving average once at this level, it has broken. Stock has gone below this level, but took support of 18-period moving average. So let me just make it 20 period. I think it will be more reliable. Let us make it 20 period. I will make it 10-20 period, friends. Yeah, 10 and 20 period are more confirmed. Here we can take smaller period. Here we can take 18 period. Let us make it 8 period. Okay, here we can take 8 period. Okay, right. So see, the stock is still in support. Stock is still supported by, chart is still supported by 20-period moving average. So we can take confirmation that still till the time that stock has not broken this level at this entry level, near to entry level. If stock has not broken this 20-period moving average, okay, so we can still be in position because this is giving us a confirmation, right? And see at this point, friends, one stock has given us a big 140 points movement. So here we need to decide. One day it started downward, second day, third day. So here I told you that if continuously for the 3 days, if stock after giving some big gain, just like it has given 140 points movement. So after that big profit, if stock continuously falls for 3 days, so we should take an exit without thinking anything, without looking at any other things. We should take exit because we should log profit. We should book profit. Right, friends? So we should work like this. If we work like this, we are, overall we will be in position, profit in our trading. We can be a successful trader only once we decide that we have taken, stock has given us this much. So we should, here we need to control our greed. We should not be a blind greeder. We should be a smart greeder if we are greeding for gains. So we should look for conditions. If stock has given us a big movement from this level, so that's a very big profit of 130-40 points. It's not small, it's big profit. Okay, so here after stock has started a downward fall, maybe it goes and below that also it may fall down. So we need to take an exit. We need to take an exit, friends. If those who have not taken exit at this level, we should follow this super trend level. We should take exit at this day. This day we should take exit. Okay, if we have taken exit from this level also, so we are still in profit. We are still in profit of about 65-70 points. Okay, so means we are still in the profit of 1:2 ratio as per the stop loss level. I hope I have made it clear to everybody. Okay, so friends, you can take this thing also. After giving a profit, we can take our exit simply when stock goes below smaller period moving average. Goes below smaller period moving average, we can take exit. In this range, we need to take exit. Here, it's a must to take an exit from this level. See, now there is a crossover that small period moving average came down and larger period moving average has gone up. So this is a crossover. This is a bearish crossover now. There is a bullish crossover where we take an entry as per we would have taken entry as per this also, combined with super trend RSI also. Okay, but this day there is a bearish crossover and daily chart, so we should take exit at any without thinking anything. We should take an exit. So if we exited this level, so still we have got 100 and we can say 100 and 5 points or so, this much profit. So I hope I have made this thing clear, how we can make use of super trend. Sometime it would give us false signal, friends. So see if this is the level where we exited from our buy side. I'm just telling you buy side. Suppose it given us a buy signal again, it has given us buy signal again. Super RSI is also about 50. Okay, and you could see that moving average is also supporting this chart. Moving averages are also supporting this chart. So suppose we have taken entry at this level 816, keeping stop loss. Here stop loss is big. Okay, here stop loss level is big, somewhere this level, friends. So this level is actually 775, and we taken an entry at 716. So there is a big we can say risk. So we should decide if we are taking risks. We can do one more thing, friends. We can take stop loss level up below the moving average crossover. We can take stop loss. We can take stop loss of this level. Yeah, 780. So 20 and we can say 30, approximately 35 points risk is again there. Okay, so if we have taken this buy side, okay, stock remained in this range, gone up, okay, it made to this level, and see, once stock has gone below this level, so there we need to, exit at least this level, friends. We need to take an exit this day. So means we are here with a little, we are out of this trade with little risk, about, we can say, with a loss of about somewhere around 10-15 points. Maximum risk is 10-15 points is there. So friends, sometime it may give us losses also. Okay, we should be ready for the losses also, because stock market, okay, and everywhere, friends, we are doing anything, any kind of business, we should always understand there is a risk also. So if we are trading, we should understand there is a risk. Stocks can go below our entry level also, so we should be ready with our stop loss. We should be ready with our stop loss. So we would have exited in this stock in this range also, even at this level also, anywhere in this level also. Okay, because see, stock is falling down from this level. It is continuously falling from, see, look at for 3 days, 4 days, stock is in this range. Okay, so one would have taken exit at this level, or this level also. Okay, so sometime we may have losses also. Sometime we may have losses also. So we should be ready for that. Let us take one more buying entry of this level. This day we would have taken entry above this level. This level is actually 847, so we can take entry above 850 or so. 850 above we have taken entry, and immediate level is this. This is an immediate level, or below, just below this crossover of 8 and this 20 period crossover, moving average crossover. So we can make use of crossover as a stop loss. So 824, 825, we can keep a stop loss. Okay, entered at 850. Okay, so there is a loss of again 25 to 26, 7 points. Okay, and see, after this, stock has given a very big upward movement from the level of 850. It moved up to 950. Okay, 100 points again, with the risk of 25, 60, 25, 26 points or 30 points maximum risk. Stock has given us 100 points movement. So friends, if we have lost some 10-15 points in this trade, okay, if we have lost 10-15 points in this trade, so we would have covered here, we have covered that loss here. Okay, so friends, those who want to be successful, they can they can make use of this super trend, follow it strictly for and trade according to this indicator. So see, someday someone has taken entry of this level. See, moving average also in support, so we can take entry of this level. Okay, so here it has given us 1 minute. Entry level is 940.41. Yeah, entry level is that, and our stop loss level is previous low, this level. So this is 904.5. Okay, approximately we can say 35 points again. 35 points risk is there. Okay, so stock has remained in this range. So one time it has it has given us our stop loss would be hit. Our stop loss is hit here. So friends, I will request you to just take confirmation of from how the Nifty is behaving. If Nifty is in uptrend, okay, right, so that we can mix that thing as per trend, we can take entry as per that. If Nifty is in uptrend, so we should follow Nifty trend also. to take our entry. If any day maybe that time Nifty would be in some, maybe in some condition. Okay, so friends, we have to follow this thing, in our trades. So somewhere it gives us losses also, right? But if we take overall trades for quantity for one stock also, so one sometime it may give us losses also, but sometime it gives us big profits also. Look at this level, it has given us big profit of 300 points approximately, I think. Yeah, approximately 300 points. So somewhere if we are losing something, so we can balance that, or even get gain more. If we get someday, it gives us a trend, stock has a good trend, so we can make good profit also. So you should follow some stock and strictly trade on that stock. So friends, I have told you the use of super trend on for positional trades, how we can make use of positional trades. Now let us move to daily intraday trades. How we can make use of this super trend indicator for daily trades, intraday trades. So friends, in intraday we can take your position in both in buy side and sell side in cash market. Okay, right. So let me just show you one. We can say buy side signal and one sell side signal. So see this day, friends, stock has given us an entry of this level. It has given us a buy signal of this level somewhere 1230. Okay, so from 1230, if we entered somewhere 3031, we entered, stock moved up to, it made high of 1235. So it has given us 5 points movement upside only 5 points movement upside. Okay, we would have kept stop loss. So if friends, before deciding to enter, we should look for, stock has already given a big move this day. The move is already, there is a big candle actually. Okay, so in this case we should decide that how much risk is there. If we find the risk is more, stop loss level is for okay, from entry level. Okay, so we should wait for at least 2-3 candle, 1 or 2 candle, but just I'm taking 5 minutes time frame. So in 5 minutes time frame, see, this signal is there, signal is supported by moving average also. But see, the next, after 5 minutes, what happened? The stock started downward trend. It given a downward trend because previously it was in downtrend actually. So we can consider previous trend also. Previously stock was in downtrend. Here it took, I'm checking in 5 minutes now. Remember it that it's a 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so for a few minutes stock was in downtrend for previous day. Yeah, previous day it started downward trend. It came here. Okay, so next day it started upward trend, and the super trend has given us a buy signal also. Super trend has given us a buy signal also, but stock started falling down. Okay, so this time either we need to wait for some time before taking an entry. We should wait for 10-15 minutes and let the trend to sustain. Okay, or if we have taken entry of this level, okay, so we should decide that our stop loss could be here, not be beyond this level. So see, if we have taken entry of this level, stock came down, it has broken this level. So one time our stop loss would be hit. Our stop loss would be hit, but it immediately recovered, friends. So yeah, 30 points, and where is the stop loss? Stop loss is there 25. Yeah, 5 points, not more, because yeah, it looks big candle, but we are checking in 5 minutes time frame. So the level is 25 to 26 points. Okay, so this time, friends, ideally the stop loss level should be this level, this peak of this super trend. This level is the super trend. Sorry, this level is the, let me just mark it. Once super trend gives a buy signal, there is a downward line. So we need to take that level, that tip of the super trend as a stop loss level. So see, if we have taken stop loss of 1223 level and entered somewhere in this 1230, yeah, 1230, 31 also, somewhere in this level. Okay, if we have taken a buy side entry, stock has started after moving to up to 35 level, it started downward journey, it started downward move. Okay, so for quite long time it remained in downward. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles downward. So means for 30 minutes after entry, for 30 minutes stock remained there. So we should be stick here with the proper discipline. We should stick to our stop loss level. We have taken a risk of 7 points or 7 to 8 points risk is there. So we should be in trade unless our stop loss is broken. Because see, if stop loss is broken, we will be out of the trade. So we should understand if there is a risk of 8 points, so we should be ready for that loss also. We should be ready for that loss also. And see, after this level, stock came here and started upward journey. It started moving up. Now, by this time, this level will be established. After stock goes up, so this level will be established. So here we can, after this level is established, means once stock has given an upward move, there we can trade our stop loss. We can trade our stop loss from this level and keep it just 1 point below the level. Or we can take the level it has made down, means this candle low. So this candle low is somewhere around 1224. We can keep 24. It shows 1224.55. So we can keep it below 1224. We can keep it below 1224 and see stock has once gone there. Again it moved to 32 level. Then again down. Okay. But this time it has not broken previous level. Okay, this time it has not broken previous level. Then some zigzag movement, means some up and down movements is there. Okay, this time again it made to this level but could not break this level, friends. So here we should be with patience. This time we need patience, friends. Maybe a stop loss would be hit. We should be ready for that also. But if stop loss is not hit, we can be in position. And see, after this stock started upward movement. Here it made a high of 1237. So it's given us 7 points, so friends. So we have a chance to book a profit at this level. One stock gives us a movement of at least 1:1 ratio or 1:2, we should take profit. Okay. And see, stock has already given us some, we can say, kind of, signal that there is a confusion that stock can fall down. So we should immediately trail a stop loss after this big movement. We should immediately stop loss off somewhere, as per we can take decision that we can keep this level somewhere. We should need above cost. We should keep it above cost entry level, friends. We have entered somewhere 31, so we should take it little above. Let us make it 35 or so, because stock has remained for quite a long time. It remained in this range. So if stock has started upward move, it can reverse anytime. So we should understand that. So here we should take at least 2 points. We should lock after this big move. I'm saying that stock has given big move. So we have two options. Either we book profit. The best part is we should book profit, because stock has remained for quite a long time in this range. So maybe the stock would not rise. So either we should take profit or we should trail stop loss little away from our entry level. So if we have entered 1231 level, so we should keep somewhere 34-35 level. So we should at least lock our brokerage, at least brokerage. Okay. So see, friends, stock remained in this range, that stop loss would be hit here. Okay. And the whole day stock remained here. And after this level, it has started the downward journey. Now it has given a sell signal. So with this candle, stock has given a sell signal. So on intraday basis, we can take a sell position here. We can sell this stock. We can take a sell entry this level. Once below this level, once this candle below, we can take a sell entry, and here is our stop loss. This level is our stop loss, friends. 1237.8 or so. Yeah, it is a stop loss. So we can take sell entry below this level. So this level is 1230. Below 1230, we can take sell entry. Okay, we can take sell signal, and see the moving averages also. Chart is now facing resistance of the moving averages. Chart is going down. So this time we can take a sell entry with a stop loss of this level, 1237.38 even. Okay, and 30 level is our entry. Okay, so again we are taking a risk of 8 points. So from this level, stock has started downward and moved up to 1215. So this sell signal is quite reliable compared to our buy signal previously. Okay, so sometimes we don't know that where the stock will go. What will happen next, we don't know. But only thing that we know is we can decide. We know our risk, how much risk is there. So we should decide our risk and be in a trade. There is nothing without risk, friends. There is nothing without risk. There is no there is nothing without risk. Everything has risk, friends. In our day-to-day life, if we are traveling, we are even just going anywhere, even we are driving car, anything, there is risk also. There are different types of road accidents, or there are different things, friends. So our life is full of risk. So we should understand there is a risk if we are decided to take this sell entry, sell side. If we want to short this stock, so we can take short with this level as a stop loss. So we should decide that there is a risk of 8 points. Okay, There's a risk of 8 points. So if we are comfortable with this risk, so we should go for this trade. Either we can avoid this trade. So before entering, we should decide how much risk I will take in this stock and be confirm with that. After stocks started, just like let me show you. Once our entry is this, if we entered somewhere in this 12, 30, 31 level, okay. So we should decide that, friends, our actual risk is here. Till this level is our risk. Yeah, 1223 as risk level. So we should decide this thing. Or this level, this super trend peak low. Super trend peak low is our stop loss. So before entering, we should decide that how much risk I am going to take in this stock. If we are comfortable with that risk, then only we should take an entry in buy or sell side. Okay. So friends, we should have a discipline. There are people who, once they see stocks is rising, so they take an entry, and once stock started downward move, they that time, friends, what they do, they shift the stop loss level from, suppose this is a stop loss and stock is started down move. Stock is came to stop loss level also sometimes, so we don't book stop loss. We don't book loss. We keep, we can say we keep trailing stop loss downward. We trail stop loss in the wrong side, the level where we should take an exit. Okay, people don't do that, and that way they face a lot of loss. Sometimes this may happen that stocks, once it started downward levels down, nobody knows. Okay, so friends, we should be ready with proper, risk to reward ratio. We should we know how much risk is there, and if once that stop loss level is broken, so we should exit at any level. So let me show, friends. I will show you previous, on Friday I have given a call of Reliance Capital. Actually, let me show that trade. So there I took my exit. I identified my position because stop loss was hit, and stock has just gone above from a stop loss. Stock has just gone just 50 points above that, and then it fallen down. So let me just show you. I will show you Friday's trade. Yes, friends, this level, friends. Okay. No, not this level. Sorry, not this. Not this level. Yeah, this level. Yes, friends, this level. So I have taken entry somewhere in this stock, somewhere, I have taken sell entry in this stock, this level, friends. After stock was falling, somewhere in this level. Okay. Yeah, somewhere in this level, friends. Somewhere this level, I have taken a sell entry in stock. Okay. I have given a stop loss of this level of 369, friends. I have given a stop loss 369, but stock made up a high of 369.25. It shows 369.25 actually. It shows 369.25. So it just hit a stop loss with 25 or 50 points hardly. It hit our stop loss, and see, I have given a sell call, but see, after my sell call was there, stock given a upward move. Just like with this signal, okay, with this signal, I have given a sell entry for this stock up to, I told to sell it up to 365 level. So, okay, from 360, 365 level, I have given that we can sell it to that level, okay, with a stop loss of 369. Okay, with a stop loss of 369, and stock made to this level, it broke our stop loss. Our stop loss was hit just 25 points as per this chart. Okay, so with 25 points, stop loss was hit, and see after that what happened. After that, stock has came down, it broken our entry level and gone down to this level. It came down to 324 level, friends. And I have given 3 targets. Okay, my final target was around 346 or so. Yeah, my final target was here. So I was expecting stock to fall down this level, 346, 45 somewhere. Yeah, I was expecting that stock would fall to this level. Okay, so what happened here? My stop loss was 369 and stop loss was hit. So I was out of this trade because our stop loss was hit. So we should accept that stop loss is hit. So we should exit. So see, after that, I tried it twice. Okay, but 2 times, it given a, moment like this. So That time after stop loss was hit, then after I left the stock, I didn't track, but later I checked it that it given a big fall. And one of the friends in our day trading group, he has, I don't know where he has kept stop loss, or maybe he has not kept stop loss at all. So he said one stock is given to this level, it has moved down to this level. Then he messaged me in personal inbox. Okay, so he said I'm in this position, and I have not exited from stop loss. So sorry, I have not exited at stop loss level. I am still in position. I'm holding this stock, and now it is giving me good profit. So I said immediately book profit and exit. Okay, then he made some profit. Right, friends? So, but that is the wrong way. I told him that don't do that. That's the wrong way. Because see, if maybe stock has gone there, maybe it goes higher. Okay, if stop loss is broken, doesn't matter. We have decided that we are ready for this much risk. If stop loss is hit, we should accept that much risk and came out of the trade. Okay, but sometimes we do mistakes. So I told him that you have done a mistake. Now you're still in profit. You have made some profit, but that's not fair. That's not fair. That's not right. Because see, what he has done is he has actually did a mistake. He did not follow the stop loss. So maybe it's by chance stock has not gone higher, or if stock has started upward movement, so maybe it has just like this big downside movement, maybe it gives a big upside movement. So in that case, the person would be in big loss. So friends, we only thing in market, only thing that is in our hands is the risk. Only thing that is in our hands is risk, how much risk we can take in any stock. So we can decide a risk but cannot decide a target. So target depends on the market, whether market will give us profit or not, that will be the secondary thing. But we can decide how much risk we are going to take in a particular trade. So decide a risk, friends, and control a risk. So decide, if there is a risk of, suppose let us say 5 points risk is there. Okay, and suppose we have to decide that how much we can lose in a particular day or in a particular trade. So suppose we want to lose a maximum of 200 risk in this stock. So we should decide our quantity. Suppose I am giving an example that if we decide that I will take a maximum risk of 200 in this stock. So what thing I can do here is I will divide this 200 risk with 5, because 5 level is my stop loss. So I will take only 40 quantity of this stock, only 40, friends. If I have decided that I could take a maximum risk of 200 points in this stock, so I will take only 40 quantity and trade. Okay, so we have to, before entering in any stock, we have to decide how much risk we are going to take. Don't risk more than 1 or 2%, friends. Don't risk 1 or 2% in intraday in any particular stock. Our risk should not increase beyond 2%. Maximum, I'm telling, is maximum is 2%. But professional traders don't risk more than 1%. Those who are professionals, they don't risk more than 1% of their total trading capital and trade. So they're decided with the risk. They decide the risk is 1%, and they calculate the stop loss, how much stop loss, how much risk is there. Accordingly, they calculate their quantity, that how much quantity, that is called position sizing. They decide the position, how much quantity they will buy or sell and be in that trade for that particular risk. Okay, so friends, we have to decide how much risk we are going to take in a particular trade, right? So you decide first and then trade. And don't ever just take your don't be emotional with the stocks. One stock stop loss has hit, we should follow that. Doesn't matter. Look at this, stock was continuously falling for some quite long time. Okay, you could see here that stock was falling. So see, this sell target would be very wonderful target, sell side. Okay, then again a sell. I'm just telling you 5 minutes time frame. So look at 5 minutes time frame. Stock has given many times, it has given us a sell side entries many times. Okay, and all these are successful. This day, let me just go to the present day. Yeah, where it hit a stop loss. See, stock has given us a buy entry of this level, but I have already shorted with this signal. I have shorted with this signal. So this signal was, the signal was not false. I could say this signal was false. This signal was false. Okay, I followed this signal that I would sell below this level. Okay, I have given a sell call of this level, keeping my stop loss of this 690 level actually. So actually I took somewhere around this level. There was previously stock has made a maximum level of 689 or so. So I kept a buffer of little 50 paisa or so. I kept a stop loss of 369. So I thought this level would not be broken, but see, that time it just gone about 25 points, 25 to 50 points. In other charts it shows 50 points up, but here it shows 25 points up. Okay, so it has hit our stop loss, so we should follow that. So this way we should take a calculated risk. So always we should follow this thing and take calculated risk. Okay, now we can decide risk, but reward is decided by the market. So market will give us reward or not, but we can decide that how much risk we are going to take. Okay, right friends, so this is all about super trend, and this is the most important thing that I have told you about, how much risk we should take. That is an important part, friends. We should control our risk. Nothing is in our hands, but our risk is in our hands. We can decide risk. Now I have explained how we can decide a risk. We should calculate that how much stop loss is there, and we should not be, we should not take stop loss as per our own thinking. We should take stop loss of particular level. Just like, let me show you how I have decided that stop loss. I will again show you that how I have decided that stop loss of 369. So that was based on this level. One stock has it. See, stock was already in downtrend. It came here. Okay, it made to this level. It made to 368 point something. Let me just check this candle high. Yeah, this 368.65. You could check here high level. So high level of this candle is 368.65. Okay, I kept little buffer of, we can say, 45 points. Okay, sorry, 35 points buffer. I kept it at 369. Okay, I kept it 369 and that was hit here. My stop loss was hit here. So I have calculated stop loss as per particular level. Okay, I have kept stop loss as per particular level. Okay, so I don't want it to, risk more than this. So I have taken that stock, and if stock could break that level, then it can go higher also. Sometimes stocks can go higher also. Stop loss means if some level is broken, so stocks have the potential to go upside also. So it could rise from this level also, but it is unlikely that it has broken a stop loss and gone down also. But doesn't matter, friends. We have taken, calculated risk. So here we should be disciplined, right, friends? So hopefully I have cleared every doubt. Everything is clear. If friends, if you have any doubt, please, I will give you 5 minutes. So you can just message me in trading discipline. Sorry, day trading group. You give me a 1 minute. Friends, you give me. You can ask a question there. So in case you have any doubt, you can ask me your questions, friends. Okay, there are 21 viewers. I could check that 21 people are listening me. So friends, if you have any doubt regarding this strategy, this setup, even I had told you for intraday and for positional trade. So this is a wonderful setup, wonderful indicator. I have told you 2 moving averages in confirmation and RSI also. So this setup it works really good, but it all depends on our discipline, friends. We need to be disciplined. If we are disciplined, we can make money. If we are not disciplined, we cannot make money. Right, friends? So I am giving you 5 minutes. So if you have any doubts, please tell me. So I will clear your doubts. No, don't make, sir. There is a question that what is an ideal range of super trend. So don't use this. Some people are saying, you're saying there is a question that some people are using 20 and 2. Okay, we can take, friends, what we can do, we can add one more super trend in, in addition to default super trend. In addition to default super trend, we can add one more super trend for double confirmation. Okay, we may add one more super trend. So let me just change its values. I will go, yeah, this is, I have added fresh. So we can make its value. So by default settings for in investing.com, the by default settings of super trend are 10 and 3. So we can make it 10 and 2. Okay. Or someone told me that some people are showing 20 and 3 or so, 20 and 2. So we can try that also. We can try that also. By default settings are always good. Okay. We can make one more change. Okay. There we need to make changes in colors also. So let us just change colors. So just to make a difference, how it looks differently, so that we can understand that what are the different levels. Okay. So I have changed colors also. So I have added one more super trend. So you could see this red line now. There is a bold red line and there is a simple red line. Okay, this is magenta. Okay, dark red, and this is light red. So friends, we can in order to be double sure, we can add one more super trend indicator. Okay, and friends, as per you told me, someone is saying that 20 to 22, 23. So friends, we can test those things, but by default setup is it's awesome, it's good. But if we can take some, if we have some, we can try that also. But we have to check how it works. How it works. Okay. So see somewhere. Let me just show you one level. See. This super trend has given a buy here. It has given buy entry, but other super trend was still in sell. See, now once both have given a buy signal, but see both the signal after both the super trend has given a buy signal. This signal is not reliable actually. This signal is not reliable. So somewhere it may give us false signals also. So even double see this level also. One of the super trend is saying sell. Already it has given sell, and one super trend is saying buy. Okay. So in this situation, when the stocks are between two super trends, we should avoid that trade. Generally, we should avoid that trade. Once there is a confirmation from both the super trends, that would be a quite reliable to take our entry. So see from this level, if we have shorted this stock, it has given a wonderful trade movement till this level, even this level. Okay. Right, friends. So see, here is also confusion. One super trend is telling sell, other is selling, other is giving buy. So this signal we should avoid. So somewhere with using a double super trend, we can cut some false signals. We can reduce some false signals. So let me just go to my present level where I have given a sell signal, a sell call yesterday, on Friday. So see, I have given a sell and I have given sell signal this. So both the super trend has confirmed, but that was false actually. Okay, this I have given sell call in this level. Okay, and see then it given buy, both super trends given buy also, and see after that stock has fallen down. So we can cut some false signals out of this double super trend. If we use double super trend, so we can cut some false signals. Any other doubt, friends? Friends, any other doubt? So if there is no doubt, so I will, friends, I will close the session here because there is nothing more. This is simple indicator available freely in this charting site, in even different charting sites. It is available. Even maybe in all those, just like in Zerodha also. Let me go to Zerodha. So it is available in Zerodha. This is a very simple indicator available in most of the charting platforms, charting sites. It's available. So we can make use of this super trend and follow it strictly. So see, this is in Zerodha. So I'm using 5 minutes chart and see. One minute, sorry. So when this is the level where I have taken a sell call and it was stop loss was hit with this level. Let me just check at what level our stop loss was hit. Our stop loss was hit by, it shows it shows the higher 369.20. Yeah, it shows 20. So our stop loss was hit marginally. Okay, and after that stock has given big downfall. So sometime it may happen, friends. We should be ready for our losses also. Okay, friends. So with this, I'm closing the session here. Most welcome, friends. Everyone, I thank everybody for attending this session, and I hope everybody might have learned something